Definitely run the gutters across the front. Time. Look at those gutters. I'm surprised they still up. What is that? Steel?
What's that? The gutters?
Yeah. That ain't aluminum. Because it would have rusted by now.
So it took out a race fan up there too. So probably somebody he knows put it there.
Yeah.
Somebody knows what he's doing. Alright.
Did you notice any? Did you notice any leak spots?
I don't see no leak spots, but you can see. You're right.
See, this is why you don't walk in people's backyard. See that? See that little snake right there? Hey, look, if it's a baby, it's a mama somewhere.
I know.
Don't go over there.
No. We good right here.
I'm looking at the, I was just trying to see if any foundation cracks.
Snake?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see
Did
that
they kill
baby
it
snake?
or?
It's dead.
Oh, they might have just killed it and left it there.
Somebody killed it.
Yeah.
See all of those humps in
Oh, yep. 1,
there? 2, 3.
I did mention that to him, and he did explain to me that everything looked great and everything looked fine. He had a receipts to back those up too.
I mean, whoever, hell, you can have a receipt. That don't mean they did it right.
Yeah, yeah.
Because what you have,
We'll have to open that up and just put that wood down the right way.
Okay.
Put that plywood down the right way.